The first set of suspects indicted in the oil subsidy scam were today brought before the Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja. The arraignment of the 10 suspects was, however, stalled owing to the absence of the Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Mohammed Adoke. Counsel to the EFCC, Mr. Rotimi Jacob, who held brief for the Attorney General, told the presiding judge, Justice Habib Abiru, that Mr. Adoke had indicated his interest in leading the prosecution. He therefore asked the court to grant an adjournment till tomorrow, Thursday the 26th of July, to enable the AGF, who had just returned from a trip, come personally to court.
Journalists eagerly awaiting the arrival of those the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, calls the first batch of suspects to be arraigned in the ongoing investigation into the false subsidy payments. They arrived at about 10:30 a.m. and are promptly led into the courtroom of presiding judge Habib Abiru. In a 9-count charge before the court, 5 defendants are expected to be arraigned. They are Walter Wagbasoma, Adaobi Ugo Ngadi, Fakwade Babafemi Ebenezer, Ezekiel Olaleye Jidele, and Ontario Oil and Gas Nigeria Limited. They are all alleged to have conspired by false pretenses to obtain from the federal government the sum of 415 million naira at one time and another 341 million naira, purporting it to be subsidy payable to Ontario Oil and Gas Nigeria Limited under the Petroleum Support Fund, a sum which was in excess of the actual value of the products imported into Nigeria by the company. The first defendant, Walter Wagbasoma, the Executive Vice Chairman of Ontario Oil and Gas, was however not present in court. He was represented by a senior advocate of Nigeria, Mr. Wale Akoni. Counsel to the EFCC, Mr. Rotimi Jacobs, told the court that the anti-graft agency had not been able to secure the attendance of the defendant in court and urged the court to ask his counsel to give an undertaking to produce him. When the judge put questions to the counsel about his client's absence in court, he subsequently withdrew his appearance for Mr. Wagbasoma and then turned around to put in his appearance again, before subsequently informing the judge that there was a bail application for the defendants. At this stage, the court noted that the procedure was for the defendant to be present in court before asking for bail. Counsel to the EFCC also notified the court that the Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Mohammed Adoke Bello, who had personally indicated that he would lead the prosecution team, had just returned to the country from a trip. Mr. Jacobs sought an adjournment till Thursday the 25th of July to enable Mr. Adoke be present in court. On those two bases, the court adjourned the arraignment of the defendants till Thursday. In another 7-count charge pending against Axe Energy Limited and Mr. Abdullahi Alao, who is believed to be the son of Ibadan politician Chief Arishekola Alao, arraignment was also stalled owing to the absence of the Attorney General. Mr. Abdullahi Alao was also named in another 9-count charge alongside Ochonogo Alex, Mahmoud Tuko, said to be the son of Alhaji Bamanga Tuko, the chairman of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Internal Oil and Gas PLC. Arraignment was also stalled in that case owing to the absence of Ochonogo Alex and the Attorney General, Mr. Adoke Bello, who is expected to be present in court on Thursday. Shola Shoyele for Channels Television News.